How's it going?
Good, how are you, man?
Good, good.
Mr. Taylor?
Mr. Taylor.
How's it going, man?
Good, good, good. How you
George
doing?
Green, I'm an investigator.
Nice to meet you.
This is Mr. Stone right here, investigator
Stone.
too.
Nice to
Stone, how you
Nice to
doing?
meet
How's
you.
it going?
Good, good. I was just.
Can we talk over here?
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, all right.
So,
I think we had the case before, right?
technically, you guys still do have my case.
I think it was referred to a bar panel.
Right. Unfortunately, Ms. DeRoca Bell in Pasadena did that, or excuse me, Mr. Samaji in Hollywood Court, he did that as a favor for Ms. Bell. Can't do that. They just so happen to share the same alma mater. Okay, there's no.
Wow.
Yeah, there's no court
Yes, your case came out of Glendale?
Yes.
Okay, in the 7-Eleven parking lot?
Correct.
The guy that wouldn't get out of the way when you tried to park?
We're part of the defense team for you.
Okay.
We're part of the investigation. We were the investigators that, as Mr. Stone was, we're on your side.
Okay.
So we're the investigators to try to,
I mean, I thought my public defenders were on my side too.
No, they
so
are
I
on
have
your
to be a
side.
little apprehensive here.
No worries, bro,
Yeah.
no worries. What happens is it was assigned to Mr. Stone, and this guy's a good investigator.
I have to speak to Mr. Garcia.
Mr. Ricardo Garcia?
Yes.
Yeah, he's probably in
It's
meetings with
it's
board
imperative.
supervisors.
I need to schedule an appointment with him today. Look, I just came here to seek clarification and transparency and
Okay.
pursue due
Would it
process.
help?
on my
Would it
part.
help if we got the head deputy? The head deputy is like a supervising attorney.
Well, they're not helpful, no. No,
Okay.
so here's the problem. Here's the problem I'm having. Okay, the problem I'm having is I'm being denied access to information I'm expected to make decisions on in court. Okay, why? Okay, the public defenders keep redirecting me back to the bar panel attorney. He's already admitted he's going to deny because it's evidence that they deceived me. These proceedings were supposed to be under 1001.36, not PC 738. Okay? As you can tell, a competent defendant doesn't do things like this. Okay?
My glasses, so I'm sorry. I got my cup.
So I have serious cause for concern here. The public defenders prejudiced my case, okay, by deceiving me under the guise of psyche vows, okay. I went out here and was proactive in enrolling myself in psychiatric outpatient treatment to uphold my legal and mental health obligations, okay. My public defender, and then she denies me the report before I go in here and accept a second opinion. Why would you do that?
Let me share this with you. I've been with the department for a lot of years, so has Mr. Stone. All I know is these public defenders are always, I haven't seen one, not one. They're always trying to do what's in the best interest of your case.
Okay.
It's never personal against you.
I don't believe that.
Okay, that's fine.
Here's why I don't believe that. Because you can't assume that strategic decisions that public defenders make in their case has any right to lead to or lead to subsequent violations of their client's rights.
Remember, they're playing chess, not checkers.
It doesn't matter.
But listen,
it doesn't matter.
Listen,
You have to make statutory objections in clients' cases where appropriate.
right.
There's no way around that.
What's that?
There's no way around that.
No. But if it's not pertinent to a situation at that point,
It's absolutely
They
pertinent.
don't
When I
wanna hurt the
requested
case.
access to the initial criminal complaint, she denied it to me. And she coerced me to enter a plea anyway.
And so you got a date, and so you wrote down the date and time that she denied your request, is that correct?
I mean, I was in custody at the time.
Okay, whatever. So what's happening is that you have to, if you feel that you're making requests and you're denied your due process, you're not gonna get it decided and overturned right here.
Okay.
What you can do is you keep a record.
I've been keeping record.
Well, that's why I asked you a question. When do you have the date and time that you were denied this due process request?
basically,
you said I was in custody, so you know the date,
on
right?
April 8th, a couple weeks ago, I just learned that the car was destroyed before arraignment. Okay, why am I just now? You got me pursuing equal protection claims on behalf of.
Is the car pertinent to?
Absolutely. Here's why it's pertinent. Because if the Glendale Police Department is going to omit critical details pertaining to the complaining witness's direct participation in the crime that,
Wasn't that video?
Hold on. I got it right here. That affected the outcome of events. Okay, and then my public defenders deny me the ability to object to that. I absolutely need the car to examine the forensic evidence on the car door to prove. Well, then they need to act like it's in the video. See, this is listen. But listen.
Have you had a trial yet?
Listen, no, there is no
you been
trial
convicted?
to be had here. Is
Have
what
you
I'm
been
trying to.
convicted?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
You've
What
been
I'm trying.
charged.
I've been charged.
And you've not been given a right to a jury.
I've not been
trial
given a
or
right to
court trial.
object or challenge evidence.
No, I understand that. And
That's-
all I'm telling,
that's where we're at.
all I'm telling you is it's, you have to document the things for if by some long out, drawn out chance that you actually get convicted of something.
Listen,
If you get convicted,
there will
you
be
have
no
your
trial,
case.
sir.
Well,
It's not. Listen, I don't understand how they can destroy the vehicle, not give me requested access to the criminal, and assume it's already a fair trial. What world are y'all living
We haven't
in?
trial yet.
Because there is no trial. I keep
Yeah.
trying to say.
Okay, hold on. Listen,
I'm sorry. This is a lot of pressure for
I
me,
know. Hey, don't worry about it. That's we're talking right now. We're good. We're good.
and I appreciate the
No problem.
attentiveness.
And the thing about it is like, man, take your time. Right now, we're just talking right now.
Listen, today.
And
look,
no, but check this out. You heard the term, speak will gets degrees. Man, you got some good attorneys on your case. I'm telling you right now, you get some badass attorneys.
this office is liable. Mr. Garcia is
that's
very
fine,
well
but
aware
you
of
can't
it.
do anything about those so-called liabilities
But I can,
here
though.
today.
But I can.
Nothing you can do. But
Are you telling me I can't file a complaint on Mr. Garcia today?
you can file a complaint
Thank you.
anywhere. You go to the
Thank
board
you.
of supervisors.
I
That's
did
where
that
you file
already.
it. That's where you
Did that
did you-
already.
Did you file that complaint against
did.
Mr. Garcia there? Then that's where you filed
It's
it.
got to be investigated too. Let me say this. Now, there's ways.
Statutory objections. Always make statutory objections in your client's cases. Don't prejudice their case.
Right.
We're not doing this.
Tell me
Leave
your
the attorneys.
Every case, leave the defendants alone, okay? Why y'all blocking my access to my constitutional fundamental
Your
principles, okay?
constitutional rights, sir,
Listen,
are being taken care of.
They
and
are not being
safeguarded.
taken. They have not been
They're just
safeguarded.
not being taken care of to your
No, listen.
satisfaction.
No, what do you mean?
To your
I've been
satisfaction.
wrongfully declared incompetent to stand trial here,
We
okay?
didn't
By
make information.
public defenders did. This office did.
Some doctor did.
No, the public defender took an excerpt that I sent from her in an email, my religious beliefs, from frustrations from already being denied due process, you feel me? She sent that to the evaluating doctor, and the evaluating doctor included that in his assessment. Now, if that ain't a violation of privileged information or my right to religious freedoms, I mean, what do you call that?
None of those are
And
held against you.
They are
unless
held
you-
against me because my attorney is.
They don't mean
is
much until you get convicted. Then you can use those to say, "Oh, there was incompetency
Listen.
with the attorneys that represented me, and so therefore my
So are you
conviction should
telling
be
me?
overturned."
Okay. So are
Those
you
are the
telling me?
things. That's
Are
when
you
you
telling
do
me?
it at an appeal
Okay,
process.
I understand.
You're not going to get it settled.
Okay,
here
but I can't
today.
appeal nothing if you won't let me cite my constitutional
You ain't
rights in
convicted
court.
of nothing
It
to
don't
appeal.
matter, bro. What don't you
You gotta
understand
keep
about
your
that?
voice down.
Stop provoking me then.
No, we
Stop
don't
provoking me,
provoke.
please.
Would you like to be
Okay?
locked up?
No, I don't want to be locked up. No.
Would
Okay?
you like to be held on a 48-hour, 72-hour
No.
hold?
No. Okay? I'm communicating with you.
Well,
Listen,
continue.
listen.
But listen to reason.
Listen to
Because you feel
reason.
like your
So here's my
voice is
question
the
to you.
only voice
So here's my
reason.
question. I'm gonna ask it. I'm gonna listen to what you say. Hold on. I'm gonna ask this question. I'm gonna let you speak. Okay? Are you telling me that I don't have the ability to defend my rights before they are violated?
In court is the time.
Okay, so if we're going to court and my attorneys aren't going to raise the issue, we have a legitimate issue here.
You're no longer represented by our office.
There's no proof of that.
It's been
There's no proof of that.
you there is.
There's no proof.
Taylor, look.
Listen, if you go to the court clerk, there's no indication. I've already came there. They've already showed me, all we have is a minute order that they actually ordered the second opinion. Right, okay, that was the last court hearing, cool. There's been no conflict of interest declared in my case.
So
Okay, they can't even provide it to
Here's
you.
the thing. Here's the thing.
Listen, they told me in a text message in direct response to me asserting my right, and they didn't provide a reason. Again, I have constitutional rights to
Right.
transparency.
Of course.
So if you guys don't represent me, you have to give me reason to believe that as your former client. If you can't provide me legitimate reason to believe that,
Right.
then any obstruction from me seeking that clarification is a subsequent violation of my rights. So if you guys want to violate my rights, I just want you to understand that's what you're doing.
Taylor, you think in this today's climate we're going to violate anyone's rights?
You already have.
Man, look. But check this out though.
Everyday charges are sustained against me. Who are y'all to tell me that I can't object to the prosecution's evidence?
This is the thing. Why'd you take that?
No. This is 2.5 years, almost 900 days. I've been seeking justice. The fundamental, you know how many emails I've sent to these people requesting them to object to this, object to that. Well, hold on, let me get copies of this. I want to make an informed decision. What is wrong with that?
Yeah. Well, here's, this is the second to
You guys are affecting my mental health in the worst way, okay? I have a meeting with my therapist today, okay? And it's court order, and I have to have access to that, okay? It's pertinent for my mental health, and I understand my underlying issues, okay? If I have constitutional rights to transparency and due process, equal protection of the laws, conflict-free representation, I want them. And I invoke my 9th Amendment rights for all other rights not enumerated in the Constitution. You're not ready for me.
Okay, but here's the bottom line.
The bottom line is I get to file a complaint against Mr. Garcia today before I leave.
But it can't be done here.
At the Board of Supervisors.
Incorrect. Incorrect. This is his office. What are you talking about?
Okay, well, here's
You
not
can't
coming out to
you can't
talk to
escort me to leave just because I have a legitimate
He's not
complaint to
talking
me.
to you.
Well, listen.
Why he's
He's
what?
not gonna come and talk to you.
Why?
Today. Not today.
Why?
Because he's got other things.
No. These other things have been my case for 900 days. Think about all the time I haven't came in here. Okay? I'm just now coming in here on the tail end of my case to seek clarification, and you guys are trying to manipulate me under attorney-client privilege. We're not doing that.
Not at all.
You are. You are. I have rights to due process and transparency. I want them upheld. Period. Point blank.
The bottom line is you cannot be coming back here anymore. You really can't. We don't want to get.
There's no documentation that you guys, you can't trespass me. I have a right to come here and access legal process.
Right. But it's getting on the borderline harassment.
It's not what's harassment is you guys deliberately prejudicing my case and systemically denying me the ability to object. So I got to go to court and risk the judge not even seeing it because you already know you're not going to raise the issue. Why are you leaving me in such a bad position like that? Hey, I'm an asset to my community. I have a portfolio of service-based companies that bridge the gap out here, okay? I was a foster kid raised in DCFS in LA County. Y'all disrespect me when I wake up every day to make a difference when it matters the most.
Real quick, and can you just project your thoughts?
No, I don't need you to correspond with Ms. Cheung about nothing. I have a right to submit a complaint regarding Ms. Cessable denying me legal process and Mr. Garcia. You can't deny me. No, you can't tell me Mr. Garcia is not going to meet with me. How are you to predetermine that?
Right. Okay, well.
You said that like it was a predetermination.
Give us a minute or two. Is that okay? Just make your thoughts. We'll be right back.
I have to finish my complaint here.
Your time is pressing, but.
I have to finish my complaint here, respectfully.
Can we have a seat till we check
I
out?
I just want to finish my complaint,
He could
please.
end up having to leave, man.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
Okay?
Okay, we just
Right
know.
here.
Yeah, we just know that if you guys escort me out, you're violating my rights.
Right.
We
Just
may just
understand
have to
that.
do that, son.
Oh wow.
We
So
may
t-
just have to do that.
You may just have to violate my
We
rights.
just may have
because
to.
I'm seeking clarity.
'Cause you
Listen,
thinking about-
you can't
you
protect them
can't
from
solve it
liability,
right
family.
now.
You can't
Let's
protect
go
them
talk-
from
we'll be
liability,
right back.
family. This is European.